Alright, just got here to Indio fairgrounds. See what's all the homies out here in Indio. Appreciate everybody's support. Brought the stickers. I don't know, my phone's kind of acting funny. I don't know if you guys see that little lag. Gotta reset the phone. We're already here. Got trucks. We got a little bit of JDM all the way over there. We got a homie GTV right there. He's about to come in. Got the homie's kid. Thank you for bringing me out here. Truck is still down.
We out here in Indio.
All right. Oh, here comes Alvi. Thanks to the homie Alvi for the tickets. I appreciate him. What's up, Alvi? Gracias for the tickets, homie. You already know.
Where's homie at?
Right here. Ahí está Lego right here with the hat. In there. Interior though.
Do we have some dust cleaner? No, just with the that.
Aquí nomás, unos días. We'll go way back on all this, huh? It's hard to find all these books too. Hey, we see that big ass hole right there. This is nice. Look at the color. That's clean right here. I'm into all types of cars, but man, this right here. Whew. LT, huh? Them tires. That's sick. That is clean right there. Sorry about the music in the background. You already know. Gotta talk over that. Nice VW right there. We got a little bit of everything. Everybody is out here. Sorry if you guys get dizzy or anything, but you guys see that. All up there. Everybody's out here. Might have to mute that music in the background, but you already know. Look at all the VWs. Got Kermit the Frog hanging out the window. You got the Corona Hielera. Got more dogs coming through. I'll show you some of the dogs. Look at G, ¿cómo estás? Appreciate you, man. There's another dog right here.
Guy work.
Still a pup? Ya está full grown.
She's a full grown.
Full grown?
She's a female.
Oh, okay, okay.
Guy.
Tiny too.
Yeah, she's a micro.
Nice, like the color.
Thank you very much.
You got another dog right there walking. We got another one over there. It's gonna be a good day right here. Good day. He's acting all tough right now. JDM's over there. It's clean. Bumping. 4 of them in the back.
More JDMs over there.
Yeah, that's the JDM section. Top is clean, nice and blue. Has flakes. Cathedral speaker ports in the back. Still setting up over here.
That's why I was like, I was going flat, and then I was like, remember the wind? And I was like, so is it?
It's clean. That's clean right there. Woo. That's what I need to get for my Regal. Get a system like this. Calipers and all that. Get it going, but this is really nice. Let me see, it looks clean. You guys already know about the music, sorry about that. Gotta, you know, talk over it. Getting on their case about the I guess driving around here. I got the model trains out here in Indio. It's a big setup. They got lightning up there too, look. They got the lightning right there. That's pretty dope.
Reptile Ranch, there you go for you, live rattlesnakes.
Right? There's kids over here like, that's for me. That'd be the first thing I probably would go into. I wouldn't doubt it.
Oh, there's a mess.
No, that's the setup. I guess they click, yeah, they click it. But none of them are running, I think. Oh yeah, one's running over there, look. That's dope. I like the way the clouds look. It's nice. It's a clean little setup. They got one right here running, look. Got another one's over there getting set up. A little waterfall. No, you good, you good. Don't worry about it. This is a place where you come and play with your toys right here. Little model trains. You got tunnels and everything, look. Just like if it was actual. That's pretty dope. A dope setup right here. This is like a little kid's big dream right here, having this. I wouldn't doubt it'll last a minute though. You know, nowadays these kids be destroying everything. That's pretty dope though. You got the cities and everything. I think my favorite part is this over here. The clouds, the lightning. Would have been dope if some rain would have actually been coming down.